Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to find Google Incognito search history. So let's get started. First, open up Chrome. Now type this in on the search bar. Then enter. Now there's a lot of options here, but you want to click on Chrome History. And from here, you'll be able to see your incognito search history. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.